Hey there, this is Wix Ideas and welcome to this channel. I'm Walter, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to back up your CMS in Wix or Wix Studio. As you know, Wix and Wix Studio share the same dashboard area, so basically this works exactly the same for you whether you're using the Wix Classic or Wix Studio. Now first of all, you're going to head over to your dashboard and then click on the CMS here on the navigation bar. Now you're going to head over to the more action and click on backups. And this is going to show you backups that have been made on your behalf by Wix, which is an automatic backup. And here we also have the manual backup, which the backups that you make yourself. And you can do so by clicking on this add backup here. Now when we click on that, it's going to create a new backup of all our collections and save them in the Wix server. Now that is a pretty good way for you to not lose content that you have probably saved, or you want to revert to a content that you had saved before in the past. Now you can see that your collections are automatically backed up every week, and you can also create a manual backup yourself, which we just did by clicking on this add backup button here. All right, so you can always come back and click on restore, or you can delete a backup. And just before we go through and test this out fully, let's just go to the collections. Now you can click on any of the collections that you have. Mine is called Whimsy and Words, and this collection has the title field, author, category, image, and rich content. Now I've already backed up this to save it exactly as it is right now, which you saw how I did it earlier by clicking on the add backup. I'm going to click and add a new field, and this field I'm going to call it test field. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Now this field is just going to be for just to test out how the backup actually works, and here I'm just going to add a new item and call it test. Now you can add other contents that you want and just save it for later and just say hi, just basically anything just to save it and test how this works. You can see that our changes have been saved, but then we have not backed up this version of our collection. Now let's go back to CMS and then let's head over to backups and click on backups. Now I'm going to click on add backup now, and this is going to save the current changes that I have done before. So this will overwrite oldest backup, so you can only have 3 manual backups per collection. Adding this backup replace your oldest one, and let's go ahead and add a backup. All right, so now we have a backup here which was done at 10:33, and here we have the 10:35 a.m. and I'm going to go ahead and restore the one I did and click on restore. Now it's going to ask you what collections you want to restore, and the only collection I want to restore is the Whimsy and Words. Now you can choose to restore all the collections that you have if you make changes to all of them. Now let's go ahead and restore one of them. So restoring this collection will permanently delete any changes made after 19/20/25 10:33 a.m. So let's click on yes and then restore. Now this is going to reset it to what we had before we added the test field. So let's head back to our collection, and you can see right here that our test field has been removed, and that is how backups actually work. But let's say you just want to come back to the changes that we did, which was adding a test field. You can go ahead and restore the most recent backup that we added. Go ahead and click on restore. We only want to restore this collection. Click on restore, and again it's going to tell you that it's going to delete anything that was made after this particular date and time. So click on restore. Now once that is done, we're going to head back to our CMS again and click on Whimsy and Words, and now we should find our test field right here with all the content that we've added. So this is how to back up your CMS, and this is really helpful, especially when you're working with large data and you're scared of losing the data permanently and you don't want to go back and begin to write them all over again. So just simply back up your collection each time you want to make a major change to your collection, and you can always restore back when you are done. All right, thank you very much. I hope this tutorial was useful. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.